Here I have KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I'm going to show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then go to the system section, about phone, and here you have to find the last line, build number, and tap on it with your finger several times until you see the message, you are now a developer. And now you can find developer options here at the system section. As you can see, there's pretty much of these settings, and you can also disable developer options here, and they will disappear from the settings list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.